Good morning. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. Today I'm talking about add style in WPF. How to add style in WPF. Basically, if you want to add a style and skins in WPF, there are two methods, that is the static resources and the dynamic resources. But here in this example, I will discuss about the static resources only. So first of all, add a text block control. That is the if you put some style attribute here like the font size and foreground and background, there are some typical process, because if you put hundred and thousands of control and you put style in this manner, then you take hard and fast rules and take more times. So it's a typical and complicated process. So remove the text from the text box. Okay, actually this is the style. That is the first method. If you have only the one and two controls in the window, then you apply that types of style and change the color and the rotations of the buttons and some other properties of the controls like the foreground, background, font size, etc. by by this manner. But if you have thousands of control, then it's not a right method to put the properties of the on the button on the controls. Background is a green and the foreground is that is content and click. That is the first method to put some style attribute here like the foreground, background and font size. Now start it and check the window is properly formatted or not. Control is also formatted. Now add a static resources and add a style attribute and style tag in the window resources and apply on the button control. So add a window resources. First of all, add a window resources, window dot resources. Also add a style tag in the window resources with the x dot key property, attribute, in which we can pass the name of the style which is applied on the control. You can also use the target type, but in the setter property I will use in the property attribute property and the class name. What is the class name? That is the class name is button, because I want to put the style on the button control. So button dot property of the button control, that is the width, so dot width, and the value is 100 pixel, that is close header. Now similarly again apply the foreground and the background on the button control. In the next video tutorial I will discuss about dynamic resources, which is applied in the app.xaml.cs file. uh, okay, apply in the app.xaml file. So this is the style tag inside the window.resources. How to apply on the button control. In the button control, I want to add a single attribute, that is the style attribute, with the static resources. Style curly brackets static resources, and the static resources only one is button style. So applied on the button, you can see that. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Please keep watching my all video tutorials to related to WPF. Thank you very much.